Was it filming no one?
Yeah, you weren't in it.
So this is my garden, and I'm going to do the toy challenge. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. And then spam that subscribe button, and then get watching all my new videos when I have them.
So we're going to chuck these in for Lyliah to find. So we've got these little Disney emoji boxes. Two of these Disney princess spin wobblers. And we've got some Surprizamals. So they're all hidden in there, and she's going to have to come out and find them in 30 seconds. You've got 30 seconds to get in there and find 8 toys, and then at the end, if you found the 8 toys, you're gonna win this, the Shopkins Season 7 5-pack. Okay, so you've got 30 seconds. Are we ready?
Yeah!
Steady? Go! Woo. Quick, quick! She's got them all! So she wins the 5-pack of Shopkins.
I'm a mess. Everyone, you should do this video and subscribe! Because it's so much fun and gets messy! Even on my first one! This is one of my surprises, but you might not be able to tell because it's covered in gel. Foam. And it's a Surprizable. And they're little pluses, well, inside a ball. And there's there's a lot to collect. I have 2 of them. We're going to show Nanny how messy I am. This is what I'm going to open, and this is what I'm going to open last because it was my prize. And I always eat big things last.
Okay.
And so I'm opening this one first. And it's a Surprizamals. Ooh. Little tiger. This is the one I got. What's right now? And this is what I got. I've been doing my videos all day. Sally and my Wala. They have little Mickey Mouses on the back. I hope I don't get the same.
You might do, that's the whole... Oh, okay. Surprise packet.
But this isn't a packet. Oh, it isn't. That's Squishy Mike. Is that Squishy?
No.
My mum has opened it. I got the different but same Cinderella one. Now see how the gut works. That works good. Dude, I've had 4. Oh!
Minnie Mouse.
Got Minnie Mouse. What is my favourite? Of course. And as well, give it this video thumbs up. And that's what you should do. I'm opening another one of these. And there's one on it. If you want to know who's filming, Carl was filming.
Ariel.
And it's another Squishy.
Is it?
See?
It isn't.
Yeah.
It's not the right person. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, it's a Surprizamals. Oh, that's cute. Let's see here.
So these are the ones, but you get a blind bag at the top. You can't see. Thank you, Mummy. My mummy finally opened it. I'll not open.
You can get them out the front.
So I have this little juice cup. Lucy juice box. I have this little fruits.
It's called candy bowl.
And this is one of them, and it's a stack one. Maybe it's glow in the dark.
Okay. Looks it, doesn't it? She's in the summer pool party.
Yeah, it comes in. And this is the cake I have. Princess cake, I want to call it. And this one's Little Blaze, and it's red.
I'm free, I'm free.
If you had these before, you'll know that there's a Shopkins inside, but it's a cardboard one, and so it's a little lampshade.
Keep your Shopkins inside.
You put one of my Shopkins inside of it. And I think this one's gone on the door. So I'm going to see if this glows in the dark under my bed. I hope you enjoyed my video. Peace out.